Morning peeps, I'm just making a little breakfast this morning. Dumpling and mackerel. I wasn't really up to do any recording this morning, but I just decided to give you a little. And here's the mackerel. Yeah, that's a little breakfast. I know it's a bit messy around the edge of the pots, but it was frying up a lot. So it's dumpling and mackerel. Gonna turn off the stove now guys, so join me at the table. Thanks for watching this mini video. Okay guys, so I have a choice of either mackerel, which is the Grace hot and spicy, or the classic mackerel. This morning I had prepared the Grace hot and spicy mackerel along with dumplings. There you go guys, dumpling and mackerel. My plate is gonna have in 4.